Imagine a world where 2.8 billion pounds of almonds are transformed every year. Curious about how these nuts make their way from the orchards to your pantry? Buckle up as we dive into the fascinating journey inside an almond processing factory. Discover the secrets behind one of California's most bountiful harvests and see how these little powerhouses are prepared for your enjoyment. California is the world's largest almond producer, and the processing of these almonds is a fascinating and intricate process. It all begins with planting the almond trees. Choosing the right variety and location is crucial, and the trees are planted in well-drained soil with ample sunlight. Proper spacing between the trees ensures they grow well and have access to nutrients. The almond growing season starts in early spring. During this time, trees produce new leaves and buds, and the season extends through the summer, allowing significant growth and development. Almond trees usually take about 5 to 12 years to reach full maturity. At this stage, they start producing substantial yields of almonds, and with proper care, they can continue to produce for several decades. Regular pruning is essential for the health and productivity of almond trees. It removes dead or diseased branches, encourages new growth, and allows sunlight to penetrate the tree, aiding in the development of more almonds. Consistent watering is critical, especially during the growing season. Proper irrigation maintains tree health and ensures a good yield. With adequate water and care, almond trees can live and produce nuts for over 25 years. Almond trees blossom in late winter to early spring, producing beautiful white or pink flowers. These blossoms are essential for pollination, which is necessary for almond production. Bees play a vital role in this process, transferring pollen from one blossom to another. Before planting, almond seedlings are prepared to ensure they are healthy and ready for the orchard. They are usually grown in nurseries where they receive optimal care and are then transplanted to the orchard at the appropriate time. Harvesting almonds is a crucial step in the process. It all starts in the almond orchards where the trees are carefully tended to throughout the year. When the almonds are ripe, they need to be harvested at just the right time. To do this, the almond trees are shaken, either by machines or by hand, to help the almonds fall from the branches. This is usually done during the late summer or early fall. The almonds fall onto the ground, where they are left for a short period to further dry out. This drying helps to reduce moisture, which is important for preventing spoilage and ensuring a good quality nut. Once the almonds have fallen and dried, they are ready to be collected and moved to the next stage of processing. Harvesting is an important part of the almond production cycle. It requires careful timing and attention to detail to make sure that the almonds are picked at their best, setting the stage for the quality of the final product. After the almonds have fallen and dried on the ground, they need to be collected and transported to the processing facility. This is done using large machines that gather the almonds into piles. These machines are designed to pick up the nuts without picking up too much debris or damaging them. Once collected, the almonds are loaded into trucks or bins for transportation. During this stage, it's important to handle the almonds carefully to prevent any damage. The goal is to get the almonds to the processing plant quickly while keeping them as clean and intact as possible. Transportation involves moving the almonds over various distances, depending on where the processing facility is located. Proper handling and timely transportation are key to maintaining the quality of the almonds as they move from the orchard to the next stage of processing. Once the almonds arrive at the processing facility, they go through the drying process. This step is crucial because it helps reduce the moisture content in the almonds. Excess moisture can lead to mold growth and spoilage, so proper drying is essential. The almonds are spread out in large, well-ventilated areas where warm air can circulate around them. In some facilities, industrial dryers are used to speed up the process. The goal is to ensure that the almonds are uniformly dried to maintain their quality. This process typically takes several hours to a few days, depending on the method used and the initial moisture level of the almonds. After drying, the almonds move on to the hulling and shelling stages. First, the outer hull of the almond, which is a soft greenish layer, is removed. This process is called hulling. The hulling machines strip away the hulls, revealing the hard shell inside. Next, the almonds go through the shelling process, where the hard, woody shell is cracked open. This is usually done using mechanical shelling machines that are designed to split the shells without damaging the nut inside. After shelling, the almonds are left with just the edible nut, ready for further processing. Once the almonds are shelled, they are sorted and graded. Sorting is done to separate almonds by size, shape, and quality. This ensures that only almonds that meet specific standards move forward in the processing line. Grading is an important part of this process. It involves examining the almonds for any defects, such as cracks or discoloration. Almonds are classified into different grades based on these characteristics, and this classification helps determine their final use, whether for whole nuts, sliced almonds, or almond flour. After sorting and grading, the almonds undergo final processing. Depending on their intended use, they might be roasted, sliced, or ground. Roasting enhances flavor and extends shelf life, while slicing is done for products like almond slices for salads or baking. Grinding turns almonds into almond flour or butter, which is used in a variety of recipes. Each type of processing is tailored to meet specific product needs, ensuring that the almonds are prepared in the best way for their final destination. Once the almonds have been processed, they are packaged for distribution. Packaging helps protect the almonds and keeps them fresh. It also includes labeling, which provides information about the product and its quality. The packaged almonds are then distributed to stores, manufacturers, and other clients. Distribution involves transporting the almonds to various locations, ensuring they reach their destination in good condition. This final stage completes the journey of the almonds from the orchard to the consumer. From the bustling orchards to the high-tech processing facilities, the journey of an almond is nothing short of amazing. Next time you savor a handful of almonds, remember the intricate steps that bring them from the farm to your table. Thanks for joining us on this nutty adventure. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful looks into the world of food and agriculture.